This baby was already running laps in his mother's womb before he was born. By the age of 3, he had already displayed astonishing basketball talent. At 7, he even learned to dribble blindfolded between his legs, surpassing his father, who was a basketball star. However, one day, an earthquake struck suddenly, and the little boy was hit on the head by a basketball hoop, losing his memory. A cleaner, in order to have his own child adopted by the basketball star, lied, claiming he had never seen the basketball star's son. He then sent his own child to live with the basketball star, plotting to seize the athlete's vast fortune in the future, while also deceiving the little boy into believing that he was his father. 13 years later, the basketball star is still desperately searching for his biological child.
I already told you. He has a star-shaped birthmark right above his heart. Those don't even match.
Yeah, but we're getting closer.
Detective Anders. Call me when you get closer.
We'll find him, Daddy. I promise to always protect him, I always will.
You're as steadfast as ever, Stephanie. Scotty's lucky to have an older sister like you.
Steph, Dad, ready to watch me murder the competition at tryouts today?
You know it, son.
I can say with full confidence that you are the best point guard in the state, Victor.
Thanks, Mommy. I really am.
Stay humble, son. You can only say you're the best when you beat the best in tryouts and become the starting point guard. Then you could talk.
What is wrong with a little confidence? Besides, he was trained by the greatest of all time.
I owe it all to you, Dad.
Go get him, son. I know you'll make the family proud.
Woo! Of course he'll make our family proud. To be an NBA champion like his father, Jordan James, is your son's destiny.
If this toilet isn't unclogged by the time I get back, I'm gonna shove your face in it.
Did he hit you again?
He won't let me play basketball anymore. Not till I pay off his prison debts.
Chad, you're too talented for this. I mean, your dad, my boss, is a real piece of shit.
Yeah, I know. And he won't let me miss work for the basketball tryouts either, so... God, this scholarship is just a pipe dream now.
That pipe dream would land you on the Jordan James Academy's top team and give you a shot at a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to go pro. That pipe dream. It'll be your ticket out of this pipe nightmare. All right? Screw your dad, Matt. All right? I'll cover for you. Go. Golden ticket out of here. Thank you, DJ. Sure.
DJ, where the hell is this delinquent?
That's what... Whoa, those little JJ13s?
You know it, Skylar.
But those haven't even come out yet.
Yeah, no doy, Drew. I have exclusive access, because my dad, you dingus.
Whoa, so cool.
Yeah, well, only the best for the best. Whoa! Watch it, asshat. These are brand new JJs.
Sorry, I didn't see her.
You what?
It didn't.
Oh! You don't know your place yet. Pipsqueak.
Let's see if you're actually a man or if you're just some cowardly girl.
Who the hell do you think you are?
I'm an NBA legend in the making. I'm the heir to the throne. Who the fuck are you?
Yeah, how dare you touch Victor? Don't you know who his dad is? I don't care who his dad is. I'm asking who he is.
Now let me explain something to you. You see, the basketball court is a little bit different from a bathroom stall, plumber bitch. Yeah? Do you even know what this is, huh? Oh no! Shit Sniffer's angry! Well, what the hell are you gonna do about it? Porcelain princess? Huh?
I'm gonna kick your ass.
You're so dead.
Hey, what the hell is going on here? Coach is gonna be here in a couple seconds.
Shit liquor star destroyer. Screw you! Fuck you, bitch! Cut it out!
NBA Hall of Famer Jordan James is the coach? He's my hero.
Don't you know that fighting is forbidden in my locker room?
No, sir, I didn't.
If it wasn't you, then who? My well-behaved son, Victor?
Who's your son?
This poor kid started it, Dad. He got jealous of my JJs, and so he attacked me.
I don't give a shit about your shoes.
Bullshit. You show up to trials wearing those, and you're not jealous of my JJs, you fucking liar. What even are those?
I'm not lying.
Enough! The truth looks pretty clear to me.
Sir, I was just defending myself.
Sir, we could really use another good defender right now. This kid's tough. We need some fresh talent. You might consider giving him a shot.
I don't know who you are, kid, but if you threaten my son, I'll make sure you never step foot on a basketball court again.
Yes, sir. I promise I'll get better shoes and I won't cause any more problems.
And stay away from my son. That's enough flirting, ladies. Let's hit the hardwood. Trials start now.
Have fun cosplaying as someone who matters today. I'm about to go out there and wipe the floor with you. Bitch.
Forget about him. I know why I'm here. Make the team, win the scholarship, and get the hell out of here.
Welcome to Cheer Squad Triumph, ladies! Let's see that spirit! Woo!
All right, guys, gather around. New guy, you're late.
I know, I'm sorry.
No excuses. Suicides, we're on now. All right, guys. These are the tryouts for the very top Jordan James Academy team. You guys are the best of the best. Whoever makes this team will be eligible for the Jordan James Scholarship to Duke, my alma mater. Only the best player will win.
It's my only way out.
It's as good as mine.
So give it your all out there. Let's scrimmage. Here we go.
Bet you think hard work is gonna get you somewhere. But you forgot one thing. No matter how hard you work. I'll always be better than you. Have fun unclogging toilets for the rest of your life, asshole. Let's see what you got. Oh, you're gonna have to be stronger than that, plunger jockey. You're weak. You're nothing.
I'll keep talking.
I can do this all day.
This is my one shot. I have to make it.
Damn, coach!
Chad? Who does he remind me of? Scotty.
Coach, have you ever seen anything like that in your entire life? I swear to God, this kid Chad O'Neal can play some point guard. Unbelievable.
Lucky dog. Don't get too excited. I sit better.
Circle up, boys.
Woo!
Time to announce the squad.
All right, fellas. Okay.
Like I said, this team is only for the best of the best. With that in mind, our new starting point guard will be my son, Victor James.
And his backup is going to be Chad O'Neal.
What?
Yeah, what? Come on, coach. We need this. You saw how good the kid was. I'll allow it. But if he causes trouble, he's gone.
Congratulations, O'Neal. You're PG2. Try not to stink it up. The rest of the team will be announced later. Hit the showers, boys. Great job.
Well done, fellas.
Bet you think you're pretty slick, huh, O'Neal?
Just playing the game, Victor.
Bullshit. You play dirty. You'll do anything to win that scholarship, buddy.
Oh. Dirty. What do you mean?
Oh, shut up, gold digger. I've got witnesses. Skylar, Drew, back me up. You guys also saw him foul me with that sly little shove, just so you could show off with that dunk. Why don't we show him how we handle cheers around here?
That's bullshit. You're framing me.
No!
Maybe I am framing you. But who's going to believe a little shit sucker like you?
I believe in myself, prick.
Pay for that.
Get your hand off my son! Are you okay, darling?
No, Mom! This wannabe is gunning for my scholarship. He cheated during a game, and now he's trying to fucking injure me.
Oh, you violent fellow! How dare you hurt my son? Mom, please! You don't understand. Oh, I know what you're thinking, Stephanie. Where do I know him from? Well, I'll tell you. This punk, Chad O'Neal, tried to join the academy last season, but he was kicked out for too many fights because he's a violent hooligan. Just a common thug who's pretending to be a basketball player. Please, on my husband's court, no less. Pathetic.
That was all a misunderstanding. I was defending someone.
You shut up when my mom is talking.
Thank you, son. Mom!
No problem. Always happy to help take out the trash.
Remember why you're here.
You know that pipe dream? It'll be your ticket out of this pipe nightmare.
You can abuse me all you want. Just know I get a lot worse at home.
Oh, fucking pathetic. You think any of us care about your little sob story?
No. I'm just letting you know. I will do anything to stay on this team and get a shot at that scholarship. Even if it means putting up your bullshit.
Pitiful. Now he's descended to begging. Oh, maybe I can cut you a deal. You scuff my JJs with your dirty move. I'll let you stay on the team if you lick him clean.
Lick your shoes? That's ridiculous.
Is it?
Licky, licky, toilet bowl boy. How bad do you want it?
Son! What the hell is going on here?
Oh, Dad, my head. He attacked me again. Oh.
No, I didn't.
Oh my God, son, you're bleeding.
What happened, son?
I was just trying to congratulate him on making the team, and he went berserk out of poor person jealousy.
Dad, that's not what happened. Victor.
Whose side are you on, Stephanie?
There is only one side here, Jordan. Chad O'Neill attacked your son. As SDP of this academy, I demand that you kick him off the team.
I warned you about staying away from my son.
Sir, please, just listen to me. I didn't do it.
Get out, now! Don't worry, son. Someone wronged you, I'll make it right. Don't worry, son. Someone wronged you, I will make it right. What's wrong, son?
Boys made fun of my birthmark.
Don't worry, son. Someone wronged you, I will make it right. Look. Dad's got a star-shaped birthmark, too. Remember, your birthmark makes you unique. It means you're gonna be a superstar basketball player, just like Dad.
Dad?
Click the link below to watch the full storyline.